Why did you try to switch to this crap anyway? You don't deserve this nonsense! Hey guys, it's here with another video. Today I am bringing you some nostalgia. Yes, you have never seen this before. Well, you have never seen it on this channel, anyway. Yes, this is Super Mario Sunshine. For yes, the GameCube. I am on the original GameCube. So, without further ado, let me explain what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take on this fucking bird! Like, he's pissing me the hell off. Am I going to be really excited when I kill it? Or whatever I'm going to do to it? Yes! So without further ado, let's go. Huh. No, 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 no! God damn it! Okay, attempt numero dos. Vámonos! This time, being smart about our decision. And on we go! Here we are, on the bird. This fucking bird. Honestly, I cannot see shit. If Mario fucks up, I'm fucked. Oh yeah, make sure I have the correct nozzle on first. That might help. And I see this. Go for it. No, 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 no! You goddamn bird! I promised myself I wouldn't. I promised myself I would not get mad at this. So the reason why I am playing this and not on the PS3, well, PS3 is kind of busted. And also, I mean, it's Mario fucking Sunshine. I'm pretty sure I need not say more. God damn it, I'll have to come back for that. Oh yeah, this is the one I always drop off at. Hey! Hey! Can you give me a ride? Thank you. No! I want to go on here. That is why. He's starting to turn a little bit. Whoa. Could you not spray all that sand on me, you stupid bird? So yeah, anyway. I will get back to you guys when he makes his second round and I am on him. Ow. Worth it. Ah, nice to meet you again, you stupid bird. Oh, how much I've hated you while you were gone. That's right! Numero tres! These fucking birds! So I think you're supposed to stay on this goddamn thing for the whole trip. I don't know. I really hope that's the case, so I'm not going fucking crazy. God damn it! Why do I try? Why do I fucking try? Here, body slam to the fucking pit. Mario, you fat ass! Why can't you do anything right? Once in your fucking life. My God. What makes you such an idiot? That you have to do all this fuckery. Here, body slam, because you're an idiot! Come on, seriously, Mario, you're a fucking plumber. Why didn't you stick to plumbing? Why did you try to switch to this crap anyway? You don't deserve this nonsense! Seriously, like, pipes weren't enough for you. You had to switch to this. Riding on a fucking bird. A sandbird, nonetheless. But that's supposed to make everything better. Come drop some motherfucking ice cream. Well, fuck that fucking bird. I give up. He can go suck his mom's dick for all I care. I just want to be a fucking speedboat. That's too much to ask. Here we go. I fucking did it. For some reason, this controller is fucked up as well, which made it a lot harder to do that. Ow. Oh. I forgot what I need. That apparently I didn't find before. I mean, I can't jet like I used to, but it should be pretty interesting. Sneaky, sneaky devil. I didn't think you were hiding in here. So what's the plan now? I guess the plan's supposed to be I rocket up from here. Of course, that's going to be even harder because then I got to deal without this. Come on! Make my life harder than it has to be! Ah! Huh. That's gonna be really fucking hard. Because then I gotta drop in! Alright, I guess we're going Assassin's Creed mode here. Holy crap! I don't know how I did it, but I just did it. Wait a minute. That was it? That's all I fucking get with this. You're kidding me. I did all that for fuck all nothing? The hell was the point of doing that then? The hell was the point of this? The fuck? You made me... No, game, that is not okay. You make me feel so accomplished and then you downgrade me? What? How does any of this make sense? hell is going on? Yeah, let's play spend 7 fucking hours doing that, and then come up here to what? Probably nothing. I'm gonna ring the fucking bell. Why isn't this working? So I'm up here. Now what? I guess fall off like a fucking moron. It's on Mario's agenda. Oh, a fucking rocket. I wonder what's in there, though. Let me see them goddamn nozzles. You know what? Ow. I am so not sorry, Toad. I think I'll write around the cheat way. Yeah, you just spray a little nozzle and then you just do a little bit of that. But it's the thing that's supposed to work. Whoa! Where the fuck did I just go? What the hell? What? Oh shit! I accidentally unplugged my controller. Okay, where the fuck am I? Holy shit! Well, that ended well. Here we go! Ah! God damn it. Okay, here we go again. Yeah. God damn it! I gotta stop fucking around and actually do this. What the hell? Oh! I'll be back, guys. I found this little thing and I'm not giving up. Back to it! Damn it! I don't know why it just keeps wanting to shift to the right. God damn it. What the hell? This is what I was telling you guys about the controller. It wants to keep shifting to the right. I can't find the other one. I'll be back. Ah! Get him on! No. Okay. Damn it. Okay, line self up. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna rush into it. I'm gonna line self up. With target, okay? Now, I'm not going to touch the goddamn control stick. is going to be strictly reflex. Okay, I had to control it. I had to touch the control stick a little bit, but that was because I was going out of control! Good strategy, bad timing. Okay, fuck the bird, fuck that secret, although it's a pretty damn good one and I should keep trying it because it's supposed to be fun, but it's such a... I'm just going to keep moving on. Because that's what we need to do in life sometimes. We just need to move the fuck on. What, lady? I'm gonna spray you all day. You're a bitch. So are you. You're all fucking bitches and I hate you all. I guess I'll try it one more time. Ow. Yeah, by the time I get enough fucking thrust. There we go. Alright. Not touch a control stick, because it fucks up somehow. Got it. Okay. Finally! Fucking dead! Well guys, that's all we have time for in this video. Be sure to hit that like button if you have enjoyed this video somehow. If you've enjoyed... Yeah, there you go. There you go. Please leave a like on this video if you have enjoyed my pain and suffering. I know you guys enjoy it very much. Just you know, just hit that like button for it. I know you'll enjoy it. Also, be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Shut up, you fucking notification. I'm trying to talk to you. You're trying to come along with me. Also, be sure to comment down below what you think of the idea of, like, an occasional nostalgic change, like going to an older game, whether it be something as old as GameCube or PS3 or yada yada, blah 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 blah. We'll do this all day. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And as always, stay on the airlines, Junior.